and welcome back to my channel. It feels like it's been forever since I've last uploaded a video, but I am back here. Honestly, I just felt like I have not been really in the mood to film for the past few days because I went on vacation. I went to LA for a little bit and I wanted to pre-film before I went to LA, but just decided that I wanted to take my vacation before I come back and started filming again. So here I am back from LA and here filming. And I've decided to film my BOXYCHARM in PUR Cosmetics palette tutorial first because I really wanted to use this palette. So pretty, you guys. I'm just always so happy when I get a palette in BOXYCHARM. I get to do a makeup look for you guys, and this is the look that I came up with, you guys, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mentioned I was going to be doing a video on this palette, so here I am fulfilling that promise that I said I was gonna do. Yeah, I really love the pigmentation of this palette. I just love PUR's palette. I did do a makeup tutorial using PUR's Soiree Diaries palette. So if you guys would like, I will link that iCard up here and you guys can definitely check it out. Surprisingly, that is my most viewed video on my channel, so you guys should definitely check that one out. So yes, thank you guys all so much for always constantly watching my videos. I'm super happy to be back and in the mood to start filming for you guys again. I have a lot of videos coming your way, so please don't stop watching. I am gonna be here on YouTube, so yes. So yeah, if you guys would like to see me create this look using this gorgeous palette, then please keep on watching. So I've already prepped most of my face, including the eye over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start this eye, which I already primed. And I'm going into the palette and I will be starting with my look. I'll be starting off with Naked, which is this one right here. Naked right here. It's a nice transition shade. Put that right there in the middle or on the crease. And although it's gonna get removed by this purple color, I just really like having that first transition shade. Just really helps with the color. And then for the outer and inner corners of my eye, I want to start off with this dark brown shade called Duet. Put this on the outer corner. And also on the inner corners as well. I'm going to add this color into the crease, and this is in the shade BFF. Just darkening the crease with this shade. I think it's a really nice shade for the crease. That's where you get the pop of violet color up there, which I really like. And then for the center of my eyelid, you see how I left some space in the center. I'm going in with my soft ochre paint pot from MAC to get a brush, a flat brush. I'm going into the Alliance shade. It's a nice gold shade. I'm going to be spritzing the brush with the shade. I'm just going to add a little bit more pigment, hopping a little bit more. Go in and fix the crease shade as well. I want that color to be popping. The BFF shade. Putting that right underneath my lower lash line. For the inner corner, I want to go in with this softer white shade called Perfect. I'm going to put that right in the inner corners. Just going to use this white base to start off the shade. Let's go in with this lighter blue shade called Mia right on top. Give it a nice blue shade. Let's go in with lashes, and I have my Lily lashes in the style Miami in the synthetic version. So this is not the actual Miami mink lashes. This is the synthetic ones, but it is inspired by the Miami style. So that's what I have on this eye, and pop this one on, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I am done with the eyes, so I'm scooting us back a little bit, and let's work on the rest of the face. I did have some bronzer on already, but let's go in with a blush. Well, I'm using this pretty vulgar blush that also came in my BOXYCHARM with the eyeshadow palette. So I'm super excited for this because I have not tried any pretty vulgar blushes before. This color is just so pretty, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. Ooh, super pigmented, which I love. But you don't really want to go too heavy-handed on this because that was pretty pigmented. I have my Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. This pretty baby right here, I've been using it like crazy. Going in to shade in the center. Pop that onto the cheekbones, and just look at that. So pretty. Forehead. The nose. Lastly, for lips, I have this ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Top 8. It's a nice red mauve tone. Really pretty. Of course, I'm gonna spritz with my Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Greens Primer Water by Smashbox and Nico Concilio.